We're pretty selective, or extremely selective, on the colleges and universities that we like to partner with. ISU really had all the capabilities that we're looking for in terms of the diesel program, the stationary power program, heavy emphasis on electrical troubleshooting and repair.
It's important for students to learn on the type of equipment that's donated, because that's what they'll see in the field. Almost exact make, model, shape, size.
Getting the real-world experience of working on a machine like this, it definitely helps us just get used to more of the struggles that you're going to have to face when working on something like this.
It comes with automatic training opportunities for our students. So there are multiple things that are issues on this machine that they get to find, diagnose, and fix.
We've had really good experience with the ISU graduates, both on the intern side as well as full-time. So I think the future is really bright. Again, I really like the program, the diversity, and the quality of instruction. So I think the sky is the limit on how far we're going to go with this partnership.